a mop. Let's get into it. Oh my god. It looks so good.
See?
Love it.
Pieces.
Yeah. Really beautiful hunter green phone case. So this is what the phone looks like on the back. So I have his phone still with me. He got the Sierra blue. Here's mine and here's my mom's. This New York shirt, cargo-y looking pants. This looked so pretty with my hair color, and the super pretty corset, ribbed.
It's okay, no problem. We'll take care of you. So we want to be zero, like from here to the front. We cut it probably an inch to the bottom.
Yeah, that's fine.
Right there.
Yeah.
This one is too thin. And we do long layers, so you look like almost natural, wavy, but you don't do the blow dry.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
I look like a mop. Okay. Let's get into it. So good. Oh my goodness. Wow. I love it. It looks so good.
So freaking good. Oh my god.
It's like the perfect length. I love it. Oh my god, it looks so good. I love it.
Pieces.
Yeah. So it is now the next day. I've had my phone for a little bit over 24 hours now, and I'm absolutely in love with it. I didn't really talk much yesterday because I felt like I was just all over the place in the Apple store waiting on lines in the city, and I just couldn't really pull out my camera too much and talk. So here I am now. I feel like this is the first time I'm actually formally talking to you guys, because the day before that I got my hair done in Connecticut, and I also didn't really film an intro to that. You guys kind of just saw a quick little montage of me getting my hair cut. But the past few days I've done some shopping, so I'm also going to be showing you guys a little haul. Just going to show you guys the things that I picked up. I went to the Love & Honey grand reopening today, and I picked up some stuff which I'm so excited to show you guys. So I guess I'll start by talking a little bit about my phone. If you guys know me, you know that I just had the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so it's honestly not that different because I did just have like the newest phone. With the plan that I have, it doesn't cost much to trade in my old phone and get the new one, so I figured why not. The camera is definitely definitely much better. And with the lifestyle that I have and constantly taking pictures, I definitely need a good camera. So I got the big one. I don't know if I said that, but I just got this really beautiful hunter green phone case, which I'm obsessed with. It's like the silicone one. It's definitely giving me such fall vibes. The front of it just looks like this. So this is what the phone looks like on the back. If you guys can see, here's the side. So what I've noticed differently about this phone is the battery life is so much better. I think that they said it is supposed to give you 2 hours extra of battery life compared to the old phone, which honestly, I've literally been on my phone all day. It's 4:48 and look at how charged my phone is. It's crazy. So the day that these phones became available for pre-order, I went on the Apple website and I pre-ordered the phones for me, my dad, my mom, and my 2 brothers. So the 5 of us got new phones. My brothers and my dad all got the smaller, just the 13 Pro, not the Max. Their 3 phones, when I selected the pickup, were available at stores on Long Island, whereas my mom and me got the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And that one is like sold out as of right now, but at the time it was only available at stores in the city. So that's why me and my mom had to go to the city yesterday to go get our phones. So my brother went to the Apple at the mall on Long Island and they gave him a problem. Totally my fault, but when I got the phone online, I put in his Greek nickname instead of his legal name. So when they asked for his ID to confirm that it is him who's picking up the phone, it didn't match up and they would not give him the phone. So then my mom and I at the time were already at the Apple store on 5th Avenue in the city, and I asked the girl that was helping us and she said that the 13 Pros are still available at the store. So I picked up 3 for my brothers and my dad, and I just ended up canceling their orders online. Super annoying, but I guess it all worked out because I was able to just get their phones and bring them home for them. But my dad is actually away right now, so I have his phone still with me. He got the Sierra Blue, but yeah, I'm not gonna open it, but I saw my brother's. It's so beautiful. Offers the same stuff as my phone. It's just a little bit smaller. The camera is the same, and I think the battery life is like a half hour less as long as mine. Not too sure, but yeah, love this color. Definitely not one I would be interested in getting. I feel like I would just get so sick of it. I love the black. Here's mine and here's my mom's. She got the same phone as me, but in the silver white. What color is this? Yeah, silver. And I got the color graphite. So yeah, that's that about my phones. Sorry for not filming a little bit more at the Apple store. Like I said, I was kind of all over the place and it was a very hectic day yesterday. I filmed as much as I could. So moving on from the Apple store and getting our phones, the day that I went to get my haircut, I did walk around Greenwich Ave and stop in a few stores. So I'll show you guys what I got. But first, I have a little something from Becker Chicaiza. He was so nice to gift me some of his products. And when I say that my hair feels so soft, it looks so shiny, and this stuff smells amazing. He used it on me when I was getting my hair washed prior to getting it cut. Hydrating hair mask, which also smells amazing. Like, you know that smell when you just leave the hair salon and like you always want your hair to smell like that? This will give you that smell. This is my 3rd day having my hair done since I went to him, and it still smells like the hair salon, so that's when you know. And then this is just the Be Chic hair oil, and it's in such a pretty bottle with this little squisher thing. So yum. I actually just like lost circulation in my legs. It's like stinging. So the next store that I went to was Brandy Melville. There was one literally right across the street from his salon. Like you can literally see it through the window. So I'm like, I have to go because I don't have any near me. They're all in the city. You just always can find something at Brandy. They have the best basics and you just can't go wrong with a Brandy trip. I got this really cute ribbed gray tank, and this I'm planning on cutting because of course we love it cropped. I got the same one in white. These remind me of like the Hanes ones that you can get on Amazon, the Hanes like wife beaters that I always wear, but these are a little bit thicker and better quality. And then I got this New York shirt. It's a very thick material. It's almost like a shirt but crew neck at the same time. It has weight to it and it's nice and oversized, so you can wear it to bed, you can wear it with biker shorts, whatever your heart desires. And I love the color green of the New York lettering. These gray sweat shorts, they're like a light gray quarter zip oversized sweatshirt. It's in the size large/extra large, and again, nice and oversized. You can wear this with whatever. I just can't wait to cozy up with this on the couch while watching a movie. I'm just so excited. And then the last thing I got, this one's a little bit different, more of like a stylish looking one. So that's all I got from Brandy. Like I said, a whole bunch of basics, but you just can never go wrong because you just can't go wrong. So then after the Apple store yesterday, I went to Aritzia just to stop by because, again, a nice store, just just to get a bunch of basics, but really good quality basics. So the first thing I got are these heather gray sweatpants. They're nice and oversized. They fit and they feel amazing. Like, they're so freaking soft. They are called the Cozy Mega Heather Chrome sweatpants. So then I got this heather gray. What's with me and the grays? I don't know, but I love it. So I got this little wife beater. It's the TNA brand, and again, like the Hanes wife beaters that you can get on Amazon, but this is just such good quality and this will not get old after you wash it. And then I just got this little basic black thermal type top, and this is really good for layering in the winter or even fall. So this is definitely a go-to. Sorry if I keep moving, my legs are like really falling asleep. Like I said before, I went to the Love & Honey grand reopening today and I got a whole bunch of stuff. They have absolutely amazing pieces. The store is so much bigger now, so they just have clothes on clothes on clothes on clothes, and you will definitely be able to find something. So many new fall things and sweaters and cargo pants and jeans and dresses and literally anything you could imagine they have there. And I picked up a whole bunch of stuff, and I've been in desperate need of some new fall stuff because obviously fall is here and my whole closet is still very colorful from the summer as I pick up a hot pink dress. But this I feel like you can wear in the winter with like a leather jacket and some combat boots. It is just this super hot pink dress, strapless, and it's like a satin. I don't even know if the camera's picking it up. Literally, it doesn't even do it justice by holding it up. You have to just like follow my Instagram and wait to see it on me because it's absolutely beautiful. Now moving on to like the actual fall stuff that I got. Cargo-y looking pants. They are super long. I have to get them hemmed a little bit because I am a shorty and they're kind of like draping on me, but I couldn't pass them down. They fit so well on my waist and on my ass and even on my legs, besides the fact that they're super long. They're almost like a suede-ish material. I don't know how to describe it, but super soft, and I know I'll get a ton of use out of those in the summer. I know I'll get a ton of use out of those in the fall and winter. And then another dress that I got. This one is so soft. It literally feels like a blanket. Bringing in the browns because they are definitely coming back this fall. I love me a nice brown chocolate color. All these brown shades are just it. Give me everything brown. I need it. Bodycon dress again, halter with a little open back moment, and this just fit me like a glove. And then I got this super pretty champagne kind of like corset top with ties on the sides. This looked so pretty with my hair color and it fits so well. They also have this in a ton of other colors. I was debating between this and like a darker chocolate brown, but I figured this color would just look better with my hair because the chocolate brown kind of like blended in with my hair, whereas this is just the perfect elegant color. And the next top that I got is this black leather top. It has like the cupping outlining and the super pretty hook and eye detailing. Even like a leather on leather moment, or with a pair of jeans or those cargo pants. I'm so excited to wear this. The last top that I got is yet another corset because you just can't go wrong. Like, they are so flattering, they fit so well, and they just make you look like you're so dressed up when you don't even have to try because it speaks for itself. So it is this almost like a beige-ish off-white, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, corset, ribbed, super pretty. So that's everything I got from shopping. I did some online shopping because I just couldn't resist. Stay tuned for more vlogs. Let me know if you guys like this style of video instead of like a sit down video where I just talk through the whole thing. Also, welcome back to the New York vlogs because my last like 7 videos were me in Greece, but I've been home for like a month. I just have not filmed because I've had so many videos to still post from Greece. I'm back and I hope you guys enjoyed them all. Let me know some videos you would like to see from me and subscribe. Comment this emoji if you're watching up until this far in the video. I love you so much and I will see you very soon. Mwah!